In this video, I will show you how to add blue background video in CapCut. So if you want to add blue background video to your video, after you add the video to timeline, right click on the video, go to copy, now click above, right click and paste. So now I duplicated the video. So now all you have to do now, make sure to align the first one and the second one in center. So now hide the first track. After you hide the first track, first video, now select the second one, go to this video, remove background, and click on this auto remove. So now allow it to finish removing the background. So up to the background of the video. So as you can see, the background now has been removed. So all I have to do now, just go back and unhide the first track. After you unhide the first video, now select the first video like this. After you select the first video, go to this video, basic, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, check on this canvas and click on the arrow beside the canvas. It will give you this option. Now select this option. So now go ahead and click on this blue. So after you select the blue, scroll to down here, you'll be able to find different blue. So for me, I'll go with this one. So after you select this one, so go ahead and click on this mask. So go up and click on this add mask. Select this rectangle, scroll to down and click on this reverse. After you click on this reverse, so now drag this edge to back like this. So as you can see now I blurred the background of this video. If you want to change the blur, you can just select this first clip, go to basic, scroll to down. Here you'll be able to find the different option. You can go ahead now and select the blurred background that you want to add to your video, and that's it. If this video helps out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.